DJ F-Mosh on the hit.
I always thought that life was sad for someone who's not free. I felt the chains binding me to the things I long to see. When you came, you changed it all. I've never felt the same. I hate the thought of losing you. There's so much more to gain.
Heart to Heart Remix.
Sa tuwing tayo'y magkakalayo, hindi matahimik ang puso ko. Bawat sandali hanap kita, di mapakali hanggang muling kapiling ka. Labis-labis ang tuwang nadarama. Magis na lamang ang kislap ng iyong mata. Kahit ano pa ay kakayanin ko na. Basta't kasama kita, lahat magagawa. Lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita, walang kailangan pa. Wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita.
DJ F-Mosh on the hit.
I can still remember yesterday. We were so in love in a special way. And knowing that you loved me made me feel oh so right. But now I feel lost, don't know what to do. Each and every day I think of you. Holding back the tears, I'm trying with all my might. Because you've gonna let me standing all alone. And I know I've got to face tomorrow on my own. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true, baby. You'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do. Yeah. So before I let you go, I want to say, yeah, I love you. our friendly get-togethers, I turn it into visions of forever. If I just believe this foolish heart of mine, I can't pretend that I'm just a friend, 'cause I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be.
Feel the love of music.
I think I've fallen in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm afraid you turn away, but I'll say it anyway. I think I've fallen for you. I'm falling for you.
Heart to Heart Remix.
Sa buhay natin, mayroong isang mamahalin, sasambahin. Sa buhay natin, mayroong isang bukod tangi sa lahat, at iibigin ng tapat. Ngunit sa di sinasadyang pagkakataon, at para bang ika'y nilalaro ng panahon, may ibang makikilala, at sa unang pagkikita, may tunay na pag-ibig na madarama. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y malaya pa, at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang iibig